So welcome back to AWS Solution Architect Associate. So in today's session, we'll be going through Module 12 knowledge check. In order to complete this knowledge check, we need to score 70% or higher. So let's start this knowledge check. So which statement describes the differences between tightly and loosely coupled architecture? Components in a tightly coupled architecture are highly dependent on each other, but they are not highly dependent in a loosely coupled architecture. Loosely coupled architecture must be managed services, and tightly coupled architecture do not have this limitation. Tightly coupling any part of architecture means that the entire architecture is tightly coupled, but the principle does not apply to a loosely coupled architecture. Tightly coupled architecture are more likely to fail than loosely coupled architecture. So I think the answer here should be components in a tightly coupled architecture are highly dependent on each other, but they are not highly dependent in a loosely coupled architecture. Let's submit. Yeah, so this is the correct answer. So which phrase describe Amazon simple queue service, Amazon SQS? So we need to select three here. Send push notification to consumers, stores and encrypt messages until they are processed and deleted, supports email and text messaging. It enables you to decouple and scale microservice distributed system and serverless application. It uses a pull mechanism and it supports a standard queue and last in first out leave for queues. So here the answer should be it supports an encrypt message until they are processed and deleted. It enables you to decouple and scale microservices, distributed system and serverless application, and it uses a pull mechanism. So this is the correct answer. So question number 3, which scenarios indicate that you should use an simple queue, Amazon simple queue services, Amazon SQS standard queue. So we need to select 2. A message might need to be delivered more than once. Message prioritization is necessary. Message must be processed in order they are sent. A message must be processed only once. Messages can be sent in any order. So here I think the answer should be a message might need to be delivered more than once, and messages can be sent in any order. So I think this should be the answer. Okay. So let's continue to question number 4. So a fleet of Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, Amazon EC2 instances process videos that user upload. The function, which function can Amazon Simple Queue service perform in this application? An SQS queue receive messages from the application and notifies all available EC2 instances that the video is available. The application places job messages in SQS queue. EC2 instances with the available processing capacity pulls the next job messages from the queue. The application writes the video file to SQS queue. EC2 instance with the available processing capacity pull the next video from the queue. EC2 instance put edited video file in an SQS queue. The application retrieves the video from the queue. So according to me, I think the answer should be here. The application places job messages in an SQS queue. EC2 instances with the available processing capacity pull the next job messages from the queue. I think this should be the answer. Okay, so let's continue with question number 5. What is Amazon Simple Notification Service, Amazon SNS? A cost-effective, flexible, and scalable email service that enables developer to send email from within an application. A serverless event bus that enables easy connection of application by using data from your own application. Integrated service as a service SaaS application and AWS services. A fully managed messaging service for both system to system and application to person communication which uses a public software pattern. A flexible and scalable outbound and inbound marketing communication service that uses email, short messaging service, SMS, push or voice communication channel. So I think here the answer should be like a fully managed messaging service for both system to system and application to person communication which uses PubSub patterns. Okay, so this is the correct answer. So what are some use cases of Amazon simple notification service? So gather streaming data from multiple systems, notify multiple systems that user input is ready for processing, trigger a single AWS Lambda function when an object is created in an Amazon Simple Storage Service bucket, hold input until it can be processed in the order it was received, send a push notification to mobile application when a new software update is available, send a text message to system operator when unusual activity has been detected. So according to me, the answer here should be notify multiple system that the user input is already processing. And also we can send a push notification to mobile application when a new software update is available. And also we can send a text message to system operator when unusual activity has been detected. So this is the correct answer. Question number 7. What are some features of Amazon Simple Notification Service? Message delivery to an Amazon SQS queue, recall of sent messages, guarantee message delivery to an URL, support for encryption, automatic message storing by time. So according to me, the answer here should be like message delivery to an SQS, and it deliver a message to an URL, and also it supports encryption. I think these are the correct answer. Yes, so let's continue. So what is Amazon MQ? So Amazon is a message broker. So managed queue service, message broker service, identity broker service, message query service. So it should be a message broker service. Okay. So what is a good use case of Amazon broker or message broker service? Connecting a private virtual private cloud VPC on an on-premise network, decoupling components in a new cloud native application, uploading a standalone static website to Amazon Web Services, migrating an existing on-premise application that uses Apache ActiveMQ to communicate between microservices. So here I think according to me the answer should be migrating an existing on-premise application that uses Apache ActiveMQ to communicate between microservices. Okay, so question number 10. Two AWS Lambda function must simultaneously process PDF files when they are uploaded to an Amazon S3 bucket. The S3 event notification allow only one action when the PDF files are uploaded. Which solution provides the simplest and most efficient way to trigger both Lambda function? Send the S3 event to the Amazon message broker queue for distribution of both Lambda function. Send the S3 event to Amazon SQS queue that both Lambda function pulls. Send the S3 event to Amazon SNS topic that both Lambda function subscribe to. Upload 2 copies of each PDF file by using different object key prefixes. So the correct answer here should be send the S3 event to an Amazon simple notification service topic that both Lambda functions subscribe to. Okay, so we're able to score 100% and we're able to solve the 10 out of 10 questions. I hope you are also able to solve those 10 questions and hope to see you in another section.